Today is my father's birthday. Lost him a little over 2 years ago. So, as tradition, I run a train on his birthday because he really liked and enjoyed the train videos. So I make a video in honor of him every year. Now, I know I haven't posted a video in a while, and there is a reason for that. I have been working on what my brother affectionately calls my fort. So, back here is my shed, which everybody calls my barn, and to the right there is a little addition. This is my fort. So it's still a little bit of a mess. These things were brought down from where my old shop used to be, which was upstairs of the shed. That came from the outdoor storage. And I've built shelves. All the cars are organized by species, if you will. Modern stuff up top, up there. There is a test track that goes around the whole room. A little drop-in section for the track here so you can do a full circle. And the trains will make their way to the layout through this bridge, and they'll make their way back through this bridge. So they come through this window, come on a straightaway, then they'll hit a Y, and we'll go out the other window, do a circle, and come back. Obviously, the Y is room for growth, because I got some land back there I can keep adding to the layout. So we did some fun stuff in here. We got the 5 switches in here are all powered. And really all I have left to do in here is build a little more shelving for the cars that are still on the tracks. So there's 6 reefers sitting here and 9 box cars sitting over here that still need some sort of home. So I might be able to get shelves here to get 8 or 9 in. This is a temporary door. The door that I want is pretty expensive, so kind of waiting on that. But the really cool part about it is the workstation. Sitting in my chair, I've got everything I need at my fingertips. I've got all tools up here on the magnetic strip. I can access hardware, my 2 little tray things here. I've got my pull-out workspace. This is for putting cars in or engines in upside down. But when I'm out here working, if I need more counter space, that whole desk pulls out. It's on wheels, and it's on a full extension drawer glide. I've got a wiring cart that has everything I need for my wiring. Okay, so I can have that out, ready to go. And I've got this nice little cart here, also on wheels. I can pull it right to me. I have all my paints and anything to do with bodywork and paint stripping and whatever you need in the bottom drawer. Parts, various train car parts and diesel parts and engine parts. Anything you could possibly imagine that I would want to cut with. I got the Dremel. There's a whole knife set in here, razor knife. I got a mini slicer dicer 6000 set here. Even got a wood carving set. Drills. extra trucks and truck parts, electronics, fans, LEDs, things like that. And this is all right here spinning in my chair. Oh, and if I get bored, I can just lean back, watch TV. So that's just a little tour of course, the fridge of my fort. Most of this stuff that's right here belongs in my job trailer, so that's going to be out of here. Obviously, the paint stuff going to be out of here. This little heater keeps it nice and toasty. I got a 100-pound propane tank sitting outside. The hose goes through the wall, and I keep it set, well, I don't know, under level 1, and it keeps it about 65 in here. So, engines are all out here. That's the big boy's permanent parking spot. Back here you can see a little yellow plug. That's for plugging them in to charge them. The ABBA is behind them, which also charges from underneath. And then I might take some of these power strips that I've got down here and maybe screw on here or something like that so I can charge the various engines as they come in. But this is very convenient for being able to build a train and pull it right out onto the layout. All my rolling stock is out here. Let's get to running a train for Pop. Here you go, Dad. I'm gonna run all my tankers for you. Well, the batteries are about dead on the engines. Anyway, I say anyway a lot. Happy 73rd pop. I know you're watching, and you're probably the one making my train derail. I get it. Forced to bring in the big guns just to clean up. It's always challenging on Dad's birthday. Middle of winter. Nothing's really ready to run.